Now I'm going to talk about how to practice woodpecker. I'm going to tap and count just on my keyboard because just for logistical reasons, but they can do it on a tabletop or their keyboard cover. We're going to tap the rhythm first using the syllable ta, and we're going to count to 4 twice first to set the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I just made an error. I counted using numbers instead of saying ta. They can use the numbers, or they could say ta, 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 ta. And when they get to the whole note, they would just say ta, 2, 3, 4. As we look at the moves for the piece, we are going to feel the second finger on our lap and go directly to the treble G. Left hand, finger 2 in the lap, go directly to middle C. Practice moving higher because of the octave higher sign. Do this step until it's comfortable, and then it's time to play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 2, 3. A little softer here. Ta, 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 2, 3, 4.